Being a fleet or freight manager, it's not easy to catch up with all the challenges thrown at you during the whole process. If your job is to deliver better customer service while reducing the cost, you are often caught between a rock and hard place, where the cost is continuously rising and the customers are demanding for the lower cost, yet they want even better services. You are continually trying to balance between the resources, customer demands, labor costs, transportation costs, fuel receipts, road congestion, taxes, skill sets, customer priority, service level agreements and other service constraints. Most of the freight managers use some kind of planning or even telematics softwares to support their system. But it's hard to manage all these complexities of an ever-changing environment. Most of the manager's time is spent on managing administrative tasks manually. To support your idea to reduce the cost with better route optimization and to fulfill the customer demand on time, I would like to introduce a route optimization solution with you. It might change the way you think about scheduling and assigning tasks, whether you are a local or global service company. Join me on a 2-minute journey through the next generation of scheduling and route optimization technology. We at Code Brew Labs offer you the fastest cloud-based scheduling and route optimization solution with Admin Panel and Driver app. Admin Panel with a powerful dashboard to view the order history, pending orders and orders in process. Customer database where you can view the total number of customers, active and inactive customers too. You can customize your profile in the Profile Setup section. You can check out the service provider data and keep track of them. You can create multiple Geo-Fences in a particular area. Through the Auto Allocation feature, the task is automatically assigned to the service provider under the Geo-Fence. You can analyze the earnings with advanced analytics. In Driver app, the driver can receive the task details. They have the right to accept or reject the request. Once the delivery process is completed, they can upload a proof of delivery in the form of signature, picture, or notes. Leverage existing systems with our straightforward integrated and published APIs of route optimization software. Without any second thought, book your free demo and get in touch with us to get 15 minutes free consultation with our business professional. Click on the link given in the description.